welcome to the fifth tutorial of HTML series. So now we are going to see some of the formatting elements to format our texts. Let's start with a bold tag. For example, I want to bold this coronavirus. I can use B tag here and close it slash B. Save it and load it. As you can see, this coronavirus is bold now. Now let's go to another tag, that is I tag. For example, I want to see this disease in italic. I could use I tag and close this slash I and save it, load it. What this would do is show this disease in italic and its shown is italic. Now the next tag that we are going to see is U tag, underline. If we want to underline something, let's for instance I want to underline this vaccine and it's underlined, save it and load it. As you can see, this vaccine is underlined. And similarly, if you want to represent some mathematical operation, then you can use subscript and superscript. For example, I can use x sub and backslash sub2. Save it and load it. As you can see, subscript 2 x to the power 2. I would zoom it for you guys. As you can see, x here you can see 2. Similarly, we have superscript. I will use plus here. For example, let's use plus and y and use sup superscript. Sup. I will use 3 backslash sup. Save it and load it. You can see x2 y3. This you can use this to represent mathematical operations. Now we have another tag to show pre-formatted text. For example, I want something to be shown as it is, including all the spaces here. I use pre tag, pre, and backslash pre. Save it. You could even see this space in while after saving this. I will load it. Yeah, as you can see, we even have a space that is pre-formatted. And we have last another tag to show strike. Let's use strike somewhere here. I want to strike this. Strike, which will show a slight line here. Strike. Save it and load it. Yes, you can see this strike. This is the way you can use. Let's discuss what we have already discussed in this video. The first tag that we used was a bold tag, which will make this coronavirus bold with the help of p tag. Then we learned about I tag, which will show whatever inside this tag in italic format. Then we see the underline tag, which would underline this vaccine. And then we saw the superscript and subscript tag, which could be used to see mathematical operations clearly here, like this x2 y raised to the power 3. And we also saw the pre-formatted tag, which can be used to show spaces as it is predefined here, like it is shown in VS Code. Similarly, it is shown in here in HTML file in browser. The last tag that we learned was strike tag, which could be used to see something and show a strike line between them. That is all for this video, guys. If you want to learn more HTML, then follow along with this video. Thank you guys.